हेलो अनु दीदी।
Oh, hello, Seema. Hello. Come inside.
Hello friends. Today I am at the home of our past association president and my dear Didi Anuradha Kalra ji. It has been given an opportunity to have a conversation with her. और आज अनु दीदी हमें इनर व्हील के कुछ अनकहे किस्से शेयर करेंगी। नमस्कार अनु दीदी।
Namaskar. So nice to see you, Seema.
कैसे हो दीदी आप?
Very fine.
आज हम इनर व्हील की कुछ बातें शेयर करेंगे आपसे।
Sure, sure.
सबसे पहले आप मुझे बताइए कि आपने इनर व्हील कब और कैसे ज्वाइन किया?
बहुत पुरानी बात है, पर जो मुकद्दर में लिखा होता है वो हो ही जाता है। अब मुकद्दर में था कि इनर व्हील खुलना है, तो यहाँ पर एक मिसेस शिंगला, बहुत रिनाउंड परिवार से, विद्यावती शिंगला, जो कि हमारी अब पास्ट इंटरनेशनल प्रेसिडेंट अनीता अग्रवाल से मिली और उन्होंने उनसे कहा कि पानीपत में इनर व्हील क्लब खोलो। अब वो बार बार मेरे घर आई और कहने लगी कि इनर व्हील क्लब खोलना है और मुझे तुम्हें ही प्रेसिडेंट बनाना है। अब सीमा, उस समय I was in a joint family, my children were small, there were so many responsibilities, and it was the year 1982-83. So I'm talking about long time back, maybe when you were a small girl. So anyway, her perseverance paid, and we opened Inner Wheel Club in Panipat.
Wow दीदी, it sounds very interesting. It means you were the first president of Inner Wheel Club Panipat.
Yes, it is very exciting. And not only I was the first president, I was the charter president.
Great.
So it was, but we did not know anything about Inner Wheel. And you know, we didn't know about the collar, we did not know about the pin. So what do? Because the photograph was to be taken.
Yes.
So I borrowed the collar of then Rotary president, wore it and had a photograph, and asked the photographer not to take a close-up.
Very exciting.
Yeah.
Since it has been a long association with Inner Wheel, how do you manage your personal life with Inner Wheel?
This is very good that my family was very supportive. My husband, even my father-in-law, who was 85, but he really wanted women to come out, do something, and he really celebrated it by getting sweets, etc. But when I asked my children, you know, जब मैं घर पे नहीं होंगी, मुझे दूसरे क्लब्स में जाना पड़ेगा, काम करना पड़ेगा, मैं आपको घर पे नहीं मिलूँगी। तो मेरा बेटा आशीष ने बड़े कॉन्फिडेंस से मुझे कहा कि माँ, if you are proud of our achievements, can't we be proud of your achievements? Oh, I was so touched and so happy that children also understand that I am on the right path.
Didi, in which year you were the district chairman and what was the international theme that time?
I think I was, but I'm sure that I was the district chairman in 1991.
Okay.
And my theme was look beyond yourself, be involved.
Great.
Yeah.
Didi, as I entered your home, I was struck with the beautiful garden and the lovely art piece indoor. In spite of all these gardening and interior decorating, what interest or what hobby you pursue?
Gardening or interior decoration, collecting antiques, and of course, writing poetry.
Oh yes, दीदी, मैंने आपके poems तो बहुत सुनी हैं। क्या आप शुरू से लिखते थे या who inspired you to write beautiful poems?
I think it is Inner Wheel.
Oh yes.
You know, getting here, getting into opportunities to write, to speak. I think I writing more and more, and it was appreciated by everyone.
ग्रेट, बहुत अच्छा लिखते हैं दीदी. मैंने आपकी पोएम्स बहुत सुनी हैं.
मैंने तेरे ऊपर भी लिखी थी,
I
याद
know,
है?
I know. You were the first association president of Innerville District 308.
Absolutely right.
I want to ask Didi, who motivated you to go further in Innerville?
जब चाहते हो, लक्ष्य हो, अपने आप मिलते हैं लक्ष्य और आदमी उस पर चलना शुरू कर देता है. जब इनरव्हील में आई हैव मेट सो मैनी फ्रेंड्स, सो मैनी मेंबर्स, then he felt it's such a beautiful world. Why not go ahead and see more of it, enjoy more of it, friendship and service, and also learn, because this is a learning experience, not only for me, but also with the people you meet and greet, and then you learn, oh, she's doing so well, let me also do my best. And this is what motivated me to go ahead, seeing my leaders, seeing my friends, seeing Innerville people around, and myself who wanted to go ahead.
What challenges have you faced as an association president?
There were many challenges, but one of that I cannot forget. I went to one of the district, I won't give you the number, and this was the conference. The conference, and you know, during the conference, what happens? We have elections. But when I go, see and behold the papers, you'll be surprised to know there was no nomination for the post of chairman. I was so surprised. I said, how will the district run if, we don't have the chairman? But I have to find a way. We can't leave the district. So मैंने अपने जो बहुत सीनियर्स थे उनको टेलीफोन किया, उनसे एडवाइस ली. I said कि you'll have to have an election on the floor of the house. So I invited nomination, and lo and behold, Seema, the nomination which came was from the district editor, and she said, if nobody is taking the post, I am ready to do it. I was little surprised whether she'll be able to carry the load or not, but I had no other way. So she became the district chairman, and later I came to know that she did very well as the district chairman, and I am proud of my decision, but it was a big challenge.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
Oh, yes, it is, Didi. Tell me about any experience or any incident which has left a mark on you forever.
Yes, Seema, I cannot forget this incident, because कई बार बड़ी बड़ी चीज़ों का वो मार्क नहीं होता जो एक प्यार, दुलार और कंसर्न का होता है. So I was traveling to Sholapur for my visit, and there was another lady and her son was there. So we started chatting and we became very, very good friends. Then we did not know how the time passed and we reached Sholapur. As I got down, it was at night, 9:30, pitch dark and little cold, and there was not a single person on the platform. So imagine, I was so frightened also, and I did not know what to do. And next to me is standing the lady, her name was Rita, with her son and also with her luggage. I said, what are you doing? You are going to Mumbai, then Bombay, and for your treatment. And what are you doing? He says, no, we cannot leave you alone in this new city and in this darkness.
She was also belong to Inner Wheel, Didi?
No, she was not, but she was so influenced by my talk. I think later on she became an Inner Wheel member,
Yes.
and she wrote to me. So before we could decide, I saw many ladies coming, running, and oh, they were on the wrong platform, and they took me along, and we were all so relieved.
It is really touchy incident.
Very touching. You see, कभी कभी प्यार और दुलार और कंसर्न जो है जिंदगी में वो काम कर जाती है जो बड़ी बड़ी चीजें नहीं करती. This is one lesson also I learned.
Very nice. As you know, Didi, we are celebrating Golden Jubilee of Association of Inner Wheel Clubs in India this year.
Yeah.
What do you mean to say about Golden Jubilee?
देखो, कुछ लोग आते हैं, चले जाते हैं, कुछ अपने निशान छोड़ जाते हैं, कुछ को कारवां में चलना है दूर, कुछ कारवां को खींच दूर आगे लिए जाते हैं. और इतने सारे एसोसिएशन प्रेसिडेंट जो कि हमारे गोल्डन जुबली की सेलिब्रेशन में आए, सब ने नींव रखी, सब ने नींव का पत्थर रखा, सब ने अपना योगदान किया, सब ने कुछ ना कुछ किया. What other better way we could have to celebrate when all the association presidents are there and when they have done their best to bring this era to golden level. So we thank everyone and especially Jyoti.
Yes, yes.
The association president Jyoti, तुमने तो ज्योति जलाई और बहुत खुशियां लाई.
Yes.
Thank you so much for thinking of this celebration with all of us. Thank you so much.
What value or lesson have you learned from your time in Inner Wheel, and what you are carrying with you this time?
The answer is always friendship and service. And friendship has so many goals. You learn so much from friendship. You learn warmth, you learn kindness, and you learn to do things for each other. You learn to sacrifice.
Yes.
And when we have goals, when we are doing projects, we see how hard the members work and how much they do for each other. So this was a simple world, and we did a lot that way. And this is the lesson forever, not only for me during my year, and after that, we are just carrying that lesson of friendship and service. In some way or the other, everyone is proving it. Who are our leaders?
दीदी, जो हमारे न्यू इनर व्हील मेंबर हमारे साथ जुड़ रहे हैं, हम हर साल बोलते हैं कि न्यू मेंबर्स आएं. आप न्यू मेंबर्स को क्या एडवाइस देना चाहेंगी कि वो इनर व्हील में आकर किस तरह से इनर व्हील को अपनाएं और किस तरह से उसमें आगे परस्यू करें?
देखो, इनर व्हील में खेल के लिए तो आएंगे नहीं. उनको ना ये कोई क्लब है जिसमें खाली खेल तमाशा होगा. सो इनर व्हील में मेनली वी आर डूइंग प्रोजेक्ट्स. सो दे शुड अंडरस्टैंड दैट कि हम वहाँ पर प्रोजेक्ट्स भी करेंगे, खेल खेला भी करेंगे, मज़े भी करेंगे. सो वी हैव एवरीथिंग इन दैट. So once you motivate them, whosoever brings a new member should motivate them and tell them कि तुमने किस तरह से सोशल वर्क करना है, तुमने कैसे मोटिवेट होना है, कैसे आप मॉनिटरी हेल्प भी कर सकते हो, हर तरह से आप सेवा कर सकते हो. So this is friendship and service again. So when we motivate them, I think they will understand the essence of inner wheel, कि inner wheel में essence क्या है, वहाँ क्या होना चाहिए, और उस तरह से वो जब आएंगे तो वो they will understand and they will get involved.
Yes. Thank you so much, Anu Didi, आज आपसे मिलकर और आपसे बातें कर कर जो इनर व्हील की नए नए आपने एक्सपीरियंसेस मेरे से शेयर किए हैं, आई एम रियली वेरी टच्ड एंड आई एम हाईली थैंकफुल टू आवर एसोसिएशन प्रेसिडेंट ज्योति जी, जिसने हमें ये मौका दिया।
Yes.
थैंक यू,
Okay.
थैंक यू सो मच।
Okay.